Yeah, I think that I was really pleased for especially the young props that came in. They're pretty inexperienced rugby players at that level, and they handled themselves really well. And I thought we saw Atu, that try against Spain, he really showed some real desire, and that's what we're looking for, those young guys. We don't expect them to be anything other than the best they can be for themselves. We don't need them to be match winners or anything like that, and he came in and did his role really well. And Tim, same as Tim, scrummed well. And it's a great opportunity for them to see what it was like to be an international player. And speaking to both of them, they were not surprised but very impressed with the pace and the intensity of the game, and it's good that they've got a taste of that this year, which builds up for next year. So when they're at their clubs now, they know the level of rugby they need to play, so that was pleasing. And it was also good to look at a couple of other players through the squad, because we had a couple of injuries. And bringing Peter Gus in was a good chance to have a look at Peter Gus.